Begin with clean, damp hair. Apply Acacia Masque liberally, starting at the ends and working towards the top. Comb through and allow to penetrate for 5 minutes. Rinse Acacia Masque from hair. For maximum conditioning, apply Acacia Masque liberally. Comb out hair with a large tooth comb. If hair is long, lightly twist and clip up. Cover hair, then apply heat evenly with a blow dryer for 5 minutes. Allow hair to cool, then rinse. Towel dry. Finish with a small amount of the Acacia oil worked evenly through, then blow dry for your finished look.